This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the image and immediately duplicating the original layer so you can always revert. Next, pick the removal tool that matches the background. Spot heal for small blemishes, clone stamp for precise texture matching, or content aware for larger fills. Once chosen, zoom to the problem area and sample nearby clean pixels when using clone. This gives realistic texture. Make small strokes and keep the action non-destructive by working on the duplicate layer. This preserves your original for comparison and rollback. Now focus on the complex middle steps. Remove the subject in small segments and blend progressively. Sample from different nearby areas frequently to match lighting and grain. When cloning, vary brush size and set opacity between 70 and 90% to layer strokes subtly. Use a layer mask to erase or reveal cloned content instead of deleting pixels, and refine edges with a soft brush. If patterns repeat, consider content-aware fill after a coarse clone pass. This refines texture. To finish, inspect the edited area at 100% zoom to catch seams and mismatched tones, then use subtle dodge and burn to correct light and shadow. Create a flattened copy for export while saving the layered file for future tweaks. If something looks off, undo recent steps, resample from a different nearby spot, or try the perspective clone tool for angled surfaces. One key tip: if edges repeat or patterns break, step back, lower opacity, and rebuild the area with smaller, varied strokes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.